Porter Dapper Don, the Porter Prince. Stop what you're doing right now. Stop scrolling. Look at this, man. Look at this, man. I can't believe God is so good. That's God for this, man. Thank you. Thank you. 1.3 million streams for yours truly, Lenny Coco. Thank y'all for being in a real state of mind. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the hate. I appreciate the hate more than the love. So thank you for everything that y'all show. Every comment is appreciated. Every repost is appreciated. Every song played. Every song skipped. Every playlist saved. Everything, man. Thank you. You're in a real state of mind. Shout out to myself, you heard? Stay in a real state of mind. God bless. It's not just music, too. You know what I'm saying? It's all connected, man. It all connects like the cipher, guys. So the music leads to the books leads to the eyes leads to the sales of real estate. You follow me? I got a new book and a new album dropping Juneteenth this Thursday.